What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion Quality Custom Design, back with another banging video. And in this video, we will be stitching out a client's design. So I just recently digitized it, probably about an hour ago. So haven't did a rough draft, so this will be the rough draft. It's a one take, one shot type of thing with me. I just had some luck with that. But for the most part, we're going to go ahead and get into that. I already have the design set up. I have my thread already ready. I have my bobbin set. And other than that, just have to press the start button and get everything started. So definitely stay tuned, guys. And if you haven't done so, please go ahead and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Let's get into it. So this will be a patch. It's about 3 more designs for this, but for the most part, I'm just going to do this one. I might record the other ones. It all depends on the time frame, and if I have time to go ahead and record the other ones. So this will be a nice size patch, about 4 inches or 4.5 inches to about 3.5 inches. If I have to make it bigger or smaller, I will do the adjustment after it's done. He said he wanted them to be at least 4x4. So I am going to work on this size for now, and then if I have to adjust it, like I said, after I do this rough draft, and then I'll do the adjustment. Also, while you wait and watch the video, we do have a winner for the giveaway. So definitely stay tuned and continue watching this video, and I will be releasing that information. So definitely stay tuned, guys. And thank you so much for even participating in the giveaway. So appreciate you guys. And the person who wins is going to get some stuff. You know what I mean? They're going to get a lot of stuff. So, I mean, not a lot like a bulk full, but they're going to get some things. So definitely stay tuned to the video for that. So once again, thank you guys for just the support. And what's so dope, I just want to focus on something real quick. And what's so dope about how the words were created is that basically you don't have to cut any of the jump stitches, which is dope. So I can just let it keep on sewing out just how it is, or embroidering out just how it is. So that's definitely less of an inconvenience, stopping the machine every time and cutting the jump stitches. So everything is already close together, doesn't have to be cut. And then what makes it even more great is that the background and or border of the initial design will cover up every jump stitch. It's amazing. So it's all about, it's definitely all about technique. It's all about, of course, practice. But making sure that you make everything easier for you. Whether it be embroidery, whether it be any other thing that you do in life, just make sure you can make it easier for you. So I just threw a little life lesson out there, so hopefully you guys catch that. So all right, so done with the first initial color. We will be starting on the next color now, which will be the background, which is I want to say like a brownish color, so that's what we'll be starting on now. So definitely stay tuned to the video, guys. All right, so we are on to the next color, which will be black. So let's get that started. And that will be, for now, it's just going to be the border. Then we're going to do the rest of the insides. So now that I'm doing this color, I'm really debating on whether I should have changed the color, because this was going to be the original, which I'm assuming is supposed to be brown. And you guys can see it. Maybe I can focus in on it real quick. But yeah, 058. But I'm assuming that's supposed to be brown, which was really supposed to be the background initially. But I figured it was going to be too dark. But now looking at it, I think that I should have just left it as it was. But we'll see once everything come out and go from there. So stay tuned, guys. to get up under here. Oops, and clip that. Okay, so next what we are going to do is finish up the white, which is inside. I had to do that later on because of how thin the letters were. So I just said I'll put it on top. Basically, I was just going to put it on top of the background. So we're going to go ahead and do the white, get that started, and then go back to the black border, and then we will be done with the video. So let's get it started. And this shouldn't take long. It says it's only going to be estimated a minute. It might be less than that, but so I'm going to let all of this play out. And we are done. Perfect. So we are going to go back to the border and get that started now, so stay tuned for that. So to finish everything off, we are going with a black border. This is something I just came up with. Now the customer might want to go with another colored border, so I will talk to them about that, because they told me to go ahead, whatever looks great, just, you know, go with it. So for the most part, the black, I mean, it's black, you know, especially being a black felt, it just goes. So most definitely going to talk to the customer about the color and see what they feel, you know, see how they feel about it. It's always good to have a border on a patch because it usually just helps lock in all of the other threads. So also always remember to put your fray check on before you go cutting everything up, and then your threads start popping out and then now your whole patch is ruined. Always put your fray check on first, then let it sit for a while. Me personally, I let it sit for close to 30 minutes, and then I go ahead and start cutting. So everybody has their own preference. So just a heads up, do not cut first, add your fray check. Let it sit, then start cutting out your patches. I know you guys probably wondering what the heck is that noise and what's going on. No problem. All of it is just thread on thread contact, and of course it's getting stuck for the most part. Not a huge problem, but I always make my patches dense so that they can have that thickness to it. So that's the reason why it is making that noise. So we are almost done. Perfect. So you know what I'm about to do, take it out the hoop, let you guys see the final result. So definitely stay tuned to the video. Alrighty guys, so I am back, and like I said, I was going to show you guys the final result. Here it is. I will do a close-up. The small stitching came out perfect. Couldn't even put it better than that. Came out perfect. Excellent. Border didn't come out bad. Good. I might, it depends. I might cut it down just a little bit more. Just all depends. But for the most part, everything came out good. Yeah, it came out dope. Not gonna lie. It's small stuff like I'm probably gonna change this, the A, maybe the V, and that's about it. But for the most part, everything came out great, came out fantastic. So that's a good thing. That's definitely a good thing. So while I'm here, I know you guys have been waiting. Who's the winner? Who won? Well, I have it right here. So can I get a drum roll or something? Thank you. There we go. So the winner is, there we go. So as you can see on the screen, I don't want to mispronounce or, anyone's name. If I'm saying it right, Janome Bun. So hopefully you have some type of other outlet as far as either social media or email address, so that I will be able to reach out to you and contact you. So everything I have as far as my Instagram, it's in the description below. So you can go ahead and contact me via Instagram, or I can send you my email address. So definitely contact me as soon as possible. The last person never contacted me. So that's why I did put the last giveaway with the new giveaway. So, contact me as soon as possible if you can. Stay tuned to the videos. And congratulations on winning. So, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed, guys. Be safe and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.